Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can change team of any user on TranZact. So for that, first of all, you need to go in settings module. On your left hand side in the very bottom you will see settings module option. Please click on this. So this is my user list which I have added on TranZact. So as you can see, all of my 3 users are currently on my in my management team. So for Mr. Rakesh, I want to change the team from management to accounts. How I can do that? So you need to go on this 3 dot option. Here you will find edit option. Please click on this. Now, after clicking on edit, you will see option of changing team. So please check, I have got all my 3 teams listed here. So need to click on accounts and click on save details. And accordingly, Mr. Rakesh have been moved to accounts team. So this is how you can make changes in the team of user. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while changing team of any user. Have a good day ahead.